You run a great business, but nobody can find you online. Sound familiar? Where we come in with our SEO services, and it's way simpler than most people make it out to be. Think about your own habits for a second. When you need to buy something or find a service, where do you go? Google, right? And here's the thing, you probably never scroll past the first page. You're not alone in this. Studies show that the top 5 results on Google get about 75% of all clicks. So here's the million-dollar question. Why do some businesses show up first while others are buried on page 10? The answer isn't rocket science. It comes down to speaking Google's language, and Google cares about 2 main things. Does your website answer what people are looking for, and do other websites trust you enough to link to you? This is where smart businesses get ahead. They make sure their websites clearly talk about what they do, where they do it, and why they're good at it. They also build relationships with other businesses and websites who link back to them. But here's what most business owners don't realize. Doing this right takes time, skill, and constant attention. Google changes its rules all the time. What worked last year might hurt you today. That's exactly why Inteloraa exists. We've spent years figuring out what actually works. We don't just stuff your website with random keywords and hope for the best. Instead, we create a complete plan that fits your specific business. We do things differently. We research what your actual customers are searching for. We make your website easy for both people and search engines to understand, and we help you build real relationships that lead to quality links. Most importantly, we focus on creating content that actually helps your customers, because that's what Google rewards most. So, more people find your business when they're actively looking for what you offer. And these aren't just any visitors, they're potential customers who are ready to buy. Ready to stop being invisible online? Contact Inteloraa today and let's get your business found.